The Federal and Chettinadu Public School jointly present Run for Health Karegudi Marathon 2025 on March 2. This event is co-presented by Global Mission Hospital and Research Institute, powered by Repco Home Finance, associate sponsor Sethu Bhaskara College.
वो विदेशी पहलवान कोशिश से झूम उठा और उसने मुझे चुनौती दे दी। मेरा दिल घबराने लगा, फिर भी मैंने उसकी चुनौती को स्वीकार किया।
Hayavadana tells the tale of two friends, Devadatta and Kapila, and their shared love interest, Padmini. The play delves into themes of love, jealousy, and the search for identity, raising fundamental questions about human existence. Who am I? What defines me? The story of Padmini, who mistakenly switches the heads of her lover and husband, serves as a metaphor for the confusion and complexity of human emotions. Neelam Mansingh Chaudhary's interpretation of the text is more than just retelling. It is a reimagining that adds contemporary relevance into the play by delving into fluid identities and the complexities of human emotions. The decision to have two actors simultaneously portray Padmini capturing her inner conflict was a masterstroke, with Ipshita Chakravarti and Brinda Trivedi playing her with magnificent ease in tandem.
I think in a certain way there's mythology and mythology. This is about a woman's desire. It's based on Thomas Mann's Transposed Heads, which is a search for perfection, which is a metaphysical journey that we all try and make. It is about mind over matter, which is about duality, which is about pluralism. So it deals with a different kind of, it doesn't deal with Ram and Sita and, the mythological characters that we have in mind when we talk about the politics of today. So it deals with, because mythology and folk tales, it's not mythology, it's actually a folk tale. Folk tales contain a different kind of truism, which don't belong to some kind of vague past, but they carry it as metaphors, as imagery into our present. We are repositories of that, and how they spill out into our workspace is something else. So I was dealing with duality, not so much with and then these are devices that have been used by the director, by the playwright in a storytelling format. The changing of the heads, the search for perfection. So it's more a philosophical concept than I think a mythological concept, personally.
At the International Theatre Festival of Kerala, Hayavadana was brought to life with a live orchestra, showcasing the iconic music of B.V. Karanth with a new added flavour of live saxophone. A standout element of the production was a scenography designed by renowned theatre director Deepan Shivaraman, which featured a flexible, movable truck serving as a Jatra troupe's vehicle. Neelam Mansingh Chaudhary's Hayavadana at the International Theatre Festival of Kerala was a testament to the enduring power of theatre to explore fundamental human questions. The play's themes of identity, love, and selfhood continue to resonate with audiences today, making it a timeless classic. As the curtains came down on this mesmerizing performance, the audience was left with a lasting impression of the magic and depth that theatre can evoke, making it one of the best stage productions of recent times.
The Federal and Chettinadu Public School jointly present Run for Health Karegudi Marathon 2025 on March 2. This event is co-presented by Global Mission Hospital and Research Institute, powered by Repco Home Finance, associate sponsor Sethu Bhaskara College.